Hi everybody, it's Miss Lisa. We're going to read a story called Grumpy Bird by Jeremy Tankard. Let's find out about Grumpy Bird. Did you ever feel grumpy? I did. Being grumpy is kind of like when you're feeling a little sad. Looks like it's nighttime. I see stars and a dark sky. Do you see Grumpy Bird? His nest. Oh, but look, the sun is up. Good morning, Grumpy Bird. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. Do you see Bird's face? His eyes, his eyebrows, they're all down. Looks sad. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today, said Bird. Wow, he doesn't even want to fly. There's a friend. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. I'm gonna go with him. Bird walked past Rabbit. See Rabbit? Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking, said Bird. It's no fun. I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Oh, now Rabbit's going to go. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, said Raccoon. What are you doing? I'm walking, snapped Bird. What does it look like? It looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. Which one's Raccoon? Let's see. Oh. There, a little mask. Looks like he has a mask around his eyes. Raccoon and Sheep and Rabbit and Bird. Bird walked past Beaver. Which one's Beaver? Can you find the animal with the very long teeth? There. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Oh, this time Bird's really grumpy. Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking? Guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird's friends are not grumpy. They seem like they're feeling happy. Bird walked past Fox. Can you see Fox? Oh, there's Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Even though Bird is grumpy, his friends are being very nice. There they are, together. Bird walked. The other animals walked. They're doing the same. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. They kind of bumped into each other. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Oh my goodness. Bird jumped. Guess what? The other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Oh my goodness. What do you think? Maybe he's not so grumpy anymore. He doesn't look as grumpy. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. Oh my. Do you think they're gonna fly? Well, they're gonna have to go back to his nest. Looks like they're flying. Maybe they're pretending. And they did. They're all there. They're all up in the tree near Bird's nest. Do you see what they're going to have? Uh-oh. They look a little bit worried about that. What's the snack? It's a worm. Oh boy. Wow. Bird was lucky he had some nice friends. They helped him feel better. That's good. If you're feeling grumpy, it's nice to have your friends around. That's the end of the story. Grumpy Bird. Bye.